good morning, good morning. It is 8:22 Thursday. A lot is going on today. I have to take Ian to the doctor. He has 2 appointments this morning, one at 10:15 and one at 1:30. So we're going to be in town primarily, the bulk of that. Best friend is getting into town from Indianapolis today. So we're going to go ahead and go to get our grocery shopping for this next week out of the way because we are getting a snowstorm this weekend. We're not getting all of the ice and things this far north compared to a lot of other places. Like family down in Kentucky are supposed to be getting a ton of ice. So we're gonna get that out of the way. And right now I need to clean my stove. I'm making some bacon egg scramble for the boys, and Seth actually took a vacation day today as well. This is a mix between Meyer and Schnucks. So we got the Campbell's. They were 3 for $5, plus I had a little coupon on top, so I got 2 of the Pokemon, 1 of the Spider-Man. We got a personal watermelon that Ian wanted. We got some Sprite, some Minute Maid, and some Coke Zero. Got some distilled vinegar, a 20-ounce Diet Coke that I didn't drink on the way home, but Ian also got a Fanta he drank on the way home, and a little bag of Doritos. We got some bread. We got a cookie cake for dessert tonight, an onion, some Advil liquid gels, some juice, 3 bags of the Meyer Ripple chips. These are literally dang near identical to Ruffles. They were 3 for $6. Plus I had a coupon on top. Some Taco Bell seasoning, some flour tortillas. I got some shampoo. This was on sale, 2 for $5. So I got some of that for me because I'm almost out. Some cherries, 2 things of the Old El Paso Spanish rice, and some traditional refried beans. Now we'll do the cold stuff. Right here are all the bits that were in the cooler. So we got assorted Honeycrisp Bubbles, a tomato, some red seedless grapes. Got some lettuce for salads and taco night. We got some quesadilla cheese, some ham, pork pot stickers, some fish, some Minute Maid Zero. Got some popcorn chicken for the boys, cold chicken for quesadillas tonight, and 2 milks. And also, I forgot I picked up 2 12-packs of Dr. Pepper. They were on sale for $6.50 each, which sounds absolutely insane. And then I had a coupon off of 2, so it brought 2 12-packs down to $9. Gotta shop those sales and those coupons. I also got this older, it's discontinued, they're not making it anymore. I used to wear this shade years ago, the Rose d'Or from Milani. I got that. And then I also got the Halo Glow Elf blush. I've been wanting to try this forever, and so they're discontinuing those or repackaging or something, so I got that for $5 too. Taste test Olipop, Shirley Temple. Danielle just tried it. She said it's good.
Are you using your friend as a guinea pig for your drinks?
No, she wanted to try it. What does it taste like?
Yummy. It's
cough syrup.
No.
It has that cherry cough syrup like vibe to it, but it's not bad. It'd be better cold.
Mine is cold. Here. Try it iced.
That's so much better cold.
Well, then put it over ice, Goofy. Yeah.
Bestie brought me some gifts. I always love Bestie gifts. She's a manager at Starbucks, so she brought me some of these, and she actually brought this one for Ian. It's not one with a straw, but it's like a thermos, but she's like, this color he will absolutely love. The color, it's already been washed. I need to peel this off, but he really loves it, so he will utilize that. And then she brought me these 4. So this is a really pretty pink one with gold stars. This is a like iridescent peachy pink. This one I am slightly obsessed with. It is so beautiful, flowers and just a beautiful like wine red. And then this one was a Mike Wilcox collection one. It is quite interesting, if we're gonna be honest. So yeah, we got those. Those are super fun. Yeah, she's just about to leave. I'm really sad. I wish she lived closer, but it's okay. Morning. Happy Friday. It is a no school day today, and Seth got called off of work. Their building is not very insulated, and they do a lot of like back and forth outside, and so they called him off of work. But he's using a vacation day. But Ian has e-learning. Everybody's awake. It is currently 3 degrees outside. I got some of my chicken noodle soup out of the freezer, added more chicken broth, added more carrots, and added some chicken, and put it on low. It added more spices to it as well. That was getting angry. And then in here, I just have some egg noodles, and we're gonna have it with some rolls. Hi. How's yours? I didn't film, but
No, these are yours.
I strained
All I have was
Logan's.
It's a grease gun, a bazooka.
a bazooka. Honestly, I want a bazooka.
Ian's. And the boys are building. What are you building, boys?
We're building-
Show me Daddy's soldiers.
Is that an AK-47? Tell
Show me
that's an
Daddy's soldiers.
AK-47.
They're building some sets Ian got for Christmas. From
And
Grandpa.
here's my whole squadron.
Almost.
3.
You have more.
Yes, he has as many soldiers as I
They're
have.
little soldiers.
And Ian, you do have a grenade. Look,
We got
a smoke,
Christmas
a
present.
flashbang, a grenade.
I need
1, 2
Hi.
pistols, a revolver, binoculars,
a
Hello.
combat knife.
and a bayonet.
Hello.
Oh
Chicken
my
noodle
gosh,
boy.
I love this. I love this.
I'm gonna take a shower.
And here we
I have a
have
headache and really bad hip pain today.
the
Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. It is currently 4 degrees outside. We don't have any, I'm trying to look. We don't have any snow yet. It's starting to come in. It's supposed to snow on and off all day here where we're at, but we're not supposed to get a ton today. We're supposed to get a lot more tomorrow. They're saying anywhere from 3 inches to 5 inches, from 5 inches to 8 inches. It's a guessing game. I really think it's a guessing game with anybody. Today, not a lot going on. I did not feel good last night. Right after the boys were doing their brick building. It's not Legos, but it's like Legos. I went and took a shower, or I took a bath. I took a bubble bath, and then showered off after. And I went and laid down, and I crashed until around 10:30. Completely missed out on dinner. Seth let me sleep. I was a little annoyed when I woke up. I just cocooned myself under like 3 blankets. It was absolutely amazing. I was not feeling well at all yesterday afternoon. But he made dinner. He made popcorn, shrimp for the boys, and he ate leftover pork from the other night. I got up and ate some applesauce and then went back to bed. It is currently 10:27. Everybody's up, everybody's had breakfast, and we're gonna hang out. I have a kitchen to clean. Also, I chopped my bangs. I chopped about 1/2 inch off. I just trimmed them because they're just, I had lost some hair up here. I can see if I can get, and all of it's starting to grow out, like, and I've just had really bad hair. This is what it's gonna be. It's totally fine. But yeah, I'll bring you guys along, you know, the next few days as well, and we will see what's going on. But yeah, I'm gonna figure out what's going on for lunch because Ian's already like, I'm hungry for lunch, and I'm like, eat a banana. I haven't eaten bananas. But yeah, I'll catch back up with you guys a little bit later. We got some lunch for the boys. It is 12:15. We just have some Ruffles. Ian is having just a plain turkey sandwich with grapes. Logan's having Ruffles, grapes, and then a ham sandwich cut up.
See some snow on the ground.
Yeah. It's supposed to snow a lot tomorrow. Not so much today. It's starting to come down a little bit. We're gonna get just a few inches here. We're not worried, but yeah, it's very pretty. These train tracks are the longest tracks literally ever. It is 5 o'clock. This is a little snow check-in. And here is dinner tonight. Ian already took his plate. We're having chicken sandwiches and some homemade fries. I've got ketchup, mayonnaise, lettuce, tomato on my chicken sandwich, and they're on pretzel buns. It's 1:30, It's blowing a lot, but we still have actual accumulation coming down for a few more hours, and then we will see. We have at least 6 inches right now out here. Here are the boys' lunch. Ian is having some Cheetos with chicken fingers and grapes, and Logan is having some Ruffles with some chicken fingers and grapes today. Here is dinner tonight. We have done homemade stir-fry noodles. We have egg rolls and pot stickers as well. And then I have some grilled chicken, and the boys have some lightly breaded honey chicken. And we have all of the condiments. We really like this stuff here. Yeah, we're gonna eat now and have a nice relaxing evening. Good morning. That's the current temperature-ish. Although the weather just said the wind chill was -32. Here is what we're looking like this morning. Seth is home again today. He got called off again because of the temperature. Ian's home. Everybody's still sleeping except for me and Seth. We made sure the boys were nice and bundled up last night, overnight, because it's chilly in the house. Like, our electric heat is struggling a bit. Here's what's for breakfast. Cereal. We have a little bit of these little Apple Jacks. This was like a little container that I got. Logan had some of those. And then Ian and I are finishing the rest of the Lucky Charms. But Seth might have some Reese's Puffs here soon. That's breakfast today. What are you doing with those feet? What are you doing? Are you watching Bluey? Are you watching Bluey? Yeah. You're gonna slide off onto the floor. There it goes. Wow! Hi! Hey, baby. It's so cold. I have my scarf on and a hat, you can see. I just was out shoveling. Me and Daddy are taking rotations. He's out right now. A little afternoon updates about 4. We went out and shoveled, like I said earlier. Got everything cleared out. Had lunch. Made the boys mini corn dogs and chippies with fruit, and then I had leftover pulled pork, the last of the pulled pork from the other day. I'm making some lemon almond poppy seed muffins right now. I'm gonna make some glaze to put on top, and the boys are watching Iron Man, having a movie day. They just watched, what did they watch? They watched Iron Man. They just watched Thor before that. Ian had never seen Thor. He's seen Iron Man. They want to watch Iron Man. I'm gonna make brats and sausages and fries for dinner. And then we still don't know. We're like on the fence if we're gonna have school tomorrow or not. We are supposed to have a windstorm tonight between midnight and 6 a.m. So it's up to 35, 45 mile an hour winds. So there's going to be lots of blowing, lots of drifting. There's been a few schools that have already canceled, kind of like around central Illinois, southern Illinois. There's been a few more rural schools like we are. Schools that have to bus a lot of kids in. So we'll just see. Here is dinner tonight. The boys already have their plates, but we have fries, green beans, bratwursts, hot Italian sausages, apple, watermelon, and then the almond, lemon, poppy seed muffins that I made today. It's dinner tonight. Hello. You're gonna have a bath soon. You gonna get a bath? We're in our blob. Are you gonna get a bath soon? Show mama. We have it. We have a rainbow. Yeah. You're showing them friends? See, we've had this since we were about 6-7 months old. Tell them, say my grandpa got it for me. He's no longer here. You ready to get a bath? Yeah. So I'm gonna give this one a bath, and then we're gonna say goodnight now. He's having some really dry skin on his face. What's going on there? What's that? He bit his lip today. It was not a good time. Yeah, we're gonna say goodnight, friends. Thanks for joining us this week. I'm probably not gonna vlog for a while. I'm a little burnt out, actually. I do have a couple videos I want to film. I want to film an empties video. I want to film a decluttering video. My goal this year is to declutter my house. I'm gonna go one by one. I've already done my makeup. This one I think I'm gonna do is my toiletries. My toiletries. And just all the stuff that we have, like, in the house. Okay. He just pulled my arm down. You cute boy. Hey, hello, I got my toy. Boop, boop. Is it on? It's not on. If it's on French. It's English, French, and Spanish. Let's see if he does it again. Let's see if he pulls my arm down again. But yeah, I'm gonna declutter my kitchen, the boys' clothes, my clothes. So, yeah, but I will see you guys next time. Say bye.